welcome to the show. Let's cook with ABCs, let's go. Grab your apron, mix it right. Fun with food, day and night. A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for banana, such a tasty treat. C is for carrot, crunchy and bright. D is for donut, what a delight. E is for eggs, sunny and round. F is for fries, golden and brown. G is for grapes in a little bunch. H is for honey, a sticky and nunch. Stir it, mix it, ABC. Cook with me from A to Z. Tasty letters one by one. Learning letters is so much fun. I is for ice cream, cold and nice. J is for jelly, wobbly slice. K is for kiwi, green inside. L is for lemon, a zesty ride. M is for mango, juicy and sweet. N is for noodles, what a treat. O is for orange, peel and eat. P is for pizza, cheesy and neat. Stir it, mix it, ABC. Cook with me from A to Z. Tasty letters one by one. Learning letters is so much fun. Q is for quinoa, healthy and light. R is for rice, fluffy and white. S is for sandwich, stacked up high. T is for tomato, oh my my. U is for udon, noodles so long. V is for vanilla in our song. W is for watermelon, big and round. X is for sigua, it's a melon found. Y is for yogurt, creamy swirl. Z is for zucchini, give it a twirl. Now you've cooked the ABC. Tasty letters A to Z. Cooking's fun and learning too. Sing again when you're feeling hungry.